everyone, I am Adhiraj Singh and today I will be performing an experiment showing the dissection of the hibiscus flower. So, first of all, I am going to remove the sepals, which are the first whorl, this part. As you can see now, I have removed the sepals, which are the first whorls, and they protect the flower during the bud stage. Now we go on to the second whorl, which are the petals, and they attract all the pollinators which help in the process of pollination. Now, this is the rest of the flower which is left. This has both the male and the female reproductive parts. Now, as you can see, this top part, this is a stigma, which when all the pollinators which take the pollen grains which have the male sex cells, and when they sit on the stigma, the pollen grains get attached to the stigma and they go in through this long tube and into the ovary for fusion. Now I'm going to dissect this style. So you see, this white tube which is this is the style which carries the pollen grains. Now we go on to the male reproductive part. The male reproductive part, or the stamen, has the anther and the filament. The anther contains pollen grains in which there are male sex cells present for fusion. Now these tiny yellow seeds things are the anther. And now we go on to the ovary, which I dissected while removing the style. Now I'm gonna cut the ovary. The ovary is the yellow swollen part, and now I'm gonna open it by cutting it. You can see these tiny seeds which are present in the ovary are the ovules, which have the female sex cells. And when the female sex cells they fuse with the male sex cells, that process is known as fertilization. And after the fusion, the part which is the fusion of the female sex cells and the male sex cells become the seed, and the ovary in the end becomes the fruit. That is the process of pollination. Thank you.